Hello everyone, so my presentation is on the bull shark. So the bull shark is a very aggressive animal. They're known to attack humans since they favor shallow coastal waters. They weigh between 200 to 500 pounds and can grow up to 6 feet. They are carnivores, so they're animals that feed on flesh. They eat mostly fish and some other mammals such as birds and turtles. Sometimes they can even eat other bull sharks, but this is very rare. Where do these animals live? They live in warm tropical and subtropical areas of water, and they do sometimes occupy rivers and lakes, but these are mostly used as nurseries for the young sharks. In the United States, bull sharks are found off the East Coast and in the Gulf of Mexico, Central and South America, Africa, India, and Australia. Their characteristics are they're sexually dimorphic, meaning that their sexes are of the same species, but they share different characteristics. So females are larger than males. They have short snouts. This is one of the reasons why they have their name. Their teeth are broad, jagged triangle up top and thin, jagged triangle along the jawline. Their size does depend on their geographical region. They are also endothermic, which means that they generate their heat independently through their body due to metabolism that allows them to regulate their body temperature. And they do have a bilateral symmetry. So they do have planes such as anterior and posterior ends. They are gray on top and white below, and their fins have dark tips, particularly in their young bull sharks. Their taxonomic classification, Dumine, they are Eukarya, for kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Chondrothides, order Carcinoforms, family Carcinidae, genus Carcinus, and species Coelucus. For evolution, sharks' hair can be seen on the phylogenetic tree to have arose 180 million years ago. That's when they came about. And the bull shark falls under the family Carcinidae and shares similar features as the black-nosed shark. Their significance. So the bull shark is normally fished for their fins to make a shark fin soup, which is an Asian delicacy, and their oil is also used to make medicine. The bull shark with itself feeds on destructive fish populations, which stops these populations from exploiting and taking over a particular location. So the bullfish can be known as the ocean's immune system. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.